Good afternoon. Magnesium is the rare earth of 2030. Your country needs a lot of magnesium, but China dominates its production, just like rare earths. We see a crisis happening in less than 3 years. I'm Howard Yu, CEO and co-founder of Tidalmetals. Our pilot plant in New Jersey will be producing the lowest cost magnesium in the world, starting about mid-year. We can scale quickly without creating waste or emitting carbon. Magnesium is the lightest metal. It weighs 4.5 times less than steel. If we make enough magnesium, we can actually lightweight the 4 gigatons of vehicles moving about emitting 9 gigatons of carbon each year. Only Tidalmetals can scale quickly enough to move the needle on climate change for lightweighting. Magnesium is an important structural metal, but it's also needed to make all the other structural metals, aluminum, titanium, and steel. We can now injection mold magnesium to make big car parts like wheels and underbodies. This is called thixomolding, and it can only be done with magnesium. Chinese cars are increasing their use of magnesium at 66% CAGR. It goes beyond cars. Soon, magnesium will be the cheapest part to make and fastest to market. We expect demand to explode from substitutions from aluminum and steel. National security and emerging sectors such as eVTOL and robotics also need lightweight metals to succeed. We waste 100 million tons of magnesium every year discharged as desal brine without capture. There's a pound of metal in every 46 gallons, or for our metric friends, 1 kilogram every 385 liters. The scientists at Tidalmetals have spent 8 years perfecting our extraction technique, and this circular economy play is now a no-brainer. We are building the world's most advanced magnesium plant in New Jersey, and it's on track to produce metal by mid-year. First, we concentrate seawater into a brine. Then we crystallize magnesium chloride as a salt. That salt is dehydrated, molten, and electrolyzed to create magnesium metal and chlorine. By capturing the chlorine co-product, we get paid to make metal. Tidal's plants separate flexibly into salt makers and metal makers. Using seawater, the salt maker can make a variety of magnesium compounds, including potash fertilizers. Using other brines, we can also make battery materials such as phosphoric acid, lithium, and nickel salts. At the metal maker, we make pure magnesium alloys and semi-finished metal products such as thixomolding chips. We also make chlorine, which can be reacted to make bleach and acid on site. Downstream, we supply aluminum and titanium with magnesium metal, and the PVC, pigment, epoxy, and polyurethane industries with chlorine. We are raising the second half of our seed round through a $7 million extension now. Proceeds will be to design, site, and permit our first-of-a-kind 4,000 ton per year magnesium plant with a $50 million Series A to fund its construction coming next year. We believe the future of magnesium is unlimited, circular, fast-scaling, and decarbonized. Thank you. Come up and see how light magnesium is.